We learned about PyMySQL and how to use it to perform CRUD operations on a database. Now let's implement it. Here we assume that PyMySQL and MySQL are installed on your machine. Get to the MySQL prompt. Let's first create a database. Use this database. Now create a user and give it a password. Grant it all permissions to everything in the demo database. Great, now let's get to the Python prompt and import PyMySQL. Connect to this database demo and save this object into DB. For this we give it the host name, the user name, the password, and the name of the database. Create a cursor on this and execute the query select version. This gives us the version of PyMySQL we're running. Let's create a table. If a table by this name already exists, drop it and replace it. This is the query. Create a table with the fields first name, last name, age, and enrollment number. Now execute this query. Now this is the query to insert this record into this table. In try, we execute the query and then commit. Under accept, we roll back the transaction. Let's check in the command prompt. Yes, we've successfully entered this record. Now we have this query to read all records with age greater than 22. Execute this query, get the entire result set, use it to initialize first name, last name, age, and enrollment number for each record, and then print it all out. We can update this table to increment age by 1 wherever it's less than 23, and we've done it. And now delete every record where age is greater than 23, and since we have no such record where the age is greater than 23, it makes no difference.